same veteran. What happened? You got a song called Buttermilk Jesus. What the fuck does that even mean? The fuck does Buttermilk Jesus mean?
It's my.
Stop talking about the Lord name.
It's the alternate me.
Alternate you.
It's my ego.
So you saying you a pancake, huh?
Aha! What's up, bitches? It's been a while. Yeah, sorry about the wait from the last video talking about a VHS camcorder from 1987. With that being said, welcome to Placeholder. Today, as of right now, it is summer. It's still July. It's currently July 28th. And as you probably know, July gets very hot, mostly up into the 90s or the 80s. And because of this, there are a lot of activities that you can do to cool down, such as going to the pool, going to the beach, eating some ice cream, and committing blood sacrifice. But if you want to make memories, everybody knows the best way to make memories is with a film camera. But there's a big problem with using something like a Canon AE-1 at the beach. We all know mechanical cameras like this, they don't like sand or water, because these things, believe it or not, aren't airtight. If a little speck of sand gets into the tiny little gears inside of this camera, it's gonna ruin your film and possibly ruin the camera. But what if there was a camera that could shoot film like this, but was waterproof, sandproof, and also made of yellow plastic? Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Minolta weathermatic. Now, the Minolta weathermatic basically needs no introduction, as this camera has been absolutely talked to death, especially with its yellow plastic. Like, Jesus Christ. It was created in 1989, and, well, weatherproof is in its name. It's literally called the weathermatic. But this camera is absolutely waterproof, and it's all thanks to the O-ring inside of the door. As you can see, there's like a rubber ring that goes around the entire perimeter of this giant ass door and creates an airtight seal, which allows the camera to survive in sand and also in water. Quick note, if you get one of these cameras, make sure the O-ring is perfect and is not like breaking or anything like that, because if you do try taking this into water and the O-ring is disintegrated and cracked, water will get into this thing and it will damage it just like any other film camera, so be careful about that. But other than that, this camera can go up to around 14 feet underwater. It's a point and shoot, so basically everything about this thing is automatic, such as auto exposure, auto shutter speed, and DX code. But this thing can only shoot at 2 ISOs, 100 and 400, so if you put 200 speed film in this, it will kind of overexpose just a tiny bit, so be careful of that. It takes 4 AAAs or a lithium. As you can see, you just put 4 AAAs inside the camera or the lithium. Also, make sure this also has the O-ring completely intact. It's a red ring instead of like the black one. Make sure this is also intact, because water does not like batteries. So it's pretty self-explanatory in how you turn it on. You just do that and it'll turn on. But yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. There's not really that much to talk about. I mean, the cons are it's old and also the O-ring problem, which thankfully mine didn't have that O-ring problem, but just make sure. Yeah, like I said, it's pretty self-explanatory. All you do is just put film in. You just open the back, you pull this down, you put the film into this side, you put it over to little orange mark right there, you close this up, make sure the sprockets are lined up with this little gear, and then you just push it closed and there you go. It auto advances and auto rewinds. Yeah, that's really all I have to say about this. So let's go shoot it, shall we?
Ciao.
Alright, so we got the camera, and I just bought some Fuji 200 film for it, so let's put this in, shall we? Just gonna open this. this. Oh, why is there so much leader? Open it up. Pull this down. Put the film in there. Stretch it across. Then. And there we go. And now it's loaded. That's how simple it fucking is. So I'm kind of stupid. So while I was doing this video, I didn't say really anything about where the fuck we went. So this is me, future Spine, telling you exactly where I went in December. It's December. I started editing this video in November. It's now almost the next fucking year, bro. That's how long this video has been taking. And it's probably even going to be in the future, too, as well. It's probably going to be next year, too, in 2026. Like, this is some actual bullshit. But anyways, where we went for me to take these pictures was Leland, Michigan, which is a little kind of boat town, which is by the sea, and it's very, very cool. We went there in August, which is when all of the footage of this video was taken in. And right as we arrived at the destination, I took some pictures. I already took a few pictures with the camera. I'm about to take, I think, my third one. There you go. I already took like 2 pictures, so this was my third. It actually looks like it's about to rain, so it's perfect for this camera. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, bro. I don't know if they're gonna show up on the camera because there's a bunch of seaweed there. Oh yeah, I might not record that much because literally I have to juggle both of these cameras, so I might not record that much. Oh my god. Look at this Ford, bro. Oh my god. What the hell? After that, we decided to go to the hotel to kind of just spend the night there since it was getting dark and it took us a while to get there. As we went into the hotel, I took some pictures, first of all. These are how they turned out. But I also noticed that the hotel had a pool. And I thought it was the greatest way for me to take underwater pictures. And at the time, I didn't know that the camera was fixed focus when you put it underwater. I'm just gonna let the video play out. Alright, so I'm about to go swimming. So I'm gonna bring my camera with me. There's a pool in this hotel, so let's go get some underwater photos for the first time. Alright, so trying not to get this camera wet, but I took many photos and I think they all worked, hopefully, so fingers crossed they come out. Finally, underwater pictures with the fucking camera, let's go! Anyways, I'm gonna go take a fucking shower, cause look at me, bro, like, damn. But yeah, it was good. Hell yeah. Yeah, no, these pictures are terrible. They did not turn out that well at all. Yeah, don't forget, the camera's, it's fixed focus once it's underwater. Don't just shoot. But anyways, we slept. I took a picture of my dog. Good girl. And we decided to go to a sort of little asylum that is in Leland. I forgot what it's called, but if Editing Spine knows about it, then it'll probably be right here. Alright, so I just arrived at the asylum that they're gonna hold me. Look at this big ass place, bro. What the fuck? The reason for why we're no longer in the asylum is because the tours are a bit too late for us. So we can't go on the tours. And also my allergies are acting up a bunch. So that kind of sucks. We missed the tour, so we couldn't go and do the tour, so. But then we went to this little kind of beach in Leland, and I saw the plane. The plane. Which is very cool. Yeah. I didn't really record that much with this camera, even though I was definitely supposed to. Overall, the pictures that came out of the camera are actually pretty good. Except for the underwater ones, because, Jesus Christ. But, yeah. Other than that, everything came out pretty well. And I still love Minolta weathermatic. I still love that camera. On to the ending. And that is the Minolta weathermatic. Possibly one of, if not my most favorite film cameras ever. I absolutely love this camera with everything. I will give the world for this thing. If this thing ever dies, I'm gonna die inside. Should you buy it? Yes, 100%. Definitely buy this thing. It's just amazing. It's just a lot of fun. It's amazing. And yeah, that's really all I have to say about this thing. So, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click the buttons down there and click that bell to notify whenever I upload videos. This has been Spine, and welcome to Placeholder.